going here in a minute. Just wait for some more people to join. In the meantime, we do have one unsold team, the Cleveland Indians. So if anyone wants Cleveland for $5, let me know. Okay, Greg. Greg's got the Padres too. All right, Greg, just send over 5 to, I'm going to put my PayPal handle up. Yes, sir, Richard. Thanks for joining. Greg, just send 5 to fairwaysportscards@gmail.com. And we will get going here in a minute. Thanks, everyone, for joining. Coming here for the first time. Definitely see some new names. So if you haven't done so, appreciate you subscribing to the channel and saving me as an eBay seller where I do the majority of my breaks. From the eBay store. Got a lot of singles always listed there, plus breaks. This is the eBay 2021 ONYX Baseball 10 box. So we got 10 of these boxes. They have 2 autographs, 2 on-card autographs per box, 4 cards per box. So that's cool. We got on-card autographs. So we're going to get going with it here. All right. Greg, I'm going to take the address off the screen, fairwaysportscards@gmail.com for the PayPal for Cleveland. Put your name in there. And let's get going with this. All right, here we go. 10 boxes, ONYX Baseball. Yeah, don't worry about it, man. Thanks. ONYX Baseball 10 boxer. Here we go. Box 1. Okay, first one up here, Roderick Arias. So let me pull the checklist up real quick here. I want to make sure we know where everyone's going. Okay, Roderick Arias is the international players. All right, autograph. Yendry Rojas, another international hit. All right, nice one here. Marco Luciano. Very nice. That one's going out to the Giants. Nice hit for the Giants. Big time prospect, raking in the minors. And Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay. Julio Rodriguez, nice one here for Seattle. Heston Kjerstad, that's Baltimore. Reese Hines for Cincinnati. I like how they have all different ink. Purple, blue, black, red. Manuel Beltre, Toronto. All right, Arias is international. Carlos Colmenares for Tampa Bay, autograph. Colorado. Can't read his name there. He wrote over his name. Helcris Olivares. And then we got Luciano again for the Giants. Mojica for Pittsburgh. We got a redemption here. Ed Howard, autograph redemption. So, Ed Howard is Chicago Cubs. Nice. So that's going out to Thomas. And then we got an international Rojas autograph. And then to go along with the Ed Howard redemption, we got the Ed Howard rookie card here. Oh, that's cool. What's his name? College or oh, high school? Relvis Martinez, Juan Carlos Negrete, Kansas City. And then Martinez, Toronto auto. Wander Franco, Tampa Bay. All right, halfway through, second half. Bobby Witt Jr., Vargas for the Yankees, Eddie Yeen, Pittsburgh, Olivares, Colorado, Hines again for Cincy. Oh, nice one. Anthony Volpe, he's been doing well in the minors for the Yanks. And a nice signature, too. Anthony Volpe. Plays single A about an hour from me for the Yankees, Hudson Valley. Miguel Bleis for Boston. Zach Veen, Colorado. This card's a little dented here. Adley Rushman. It's got a little crease in it right out of the box. Adley Rushman. Baltimore. Nick Bitsko, Tampa Bay. And another Aurelvis Martinez for Toronto. And then we got Pedro Pineda for Oakland. Hai-Sung Kim, San Diego. Nice one. Randy Arozarena, Tampa Bay. And another nice one coming up here. Julio Rodriguez for Seattle. That's nice. Big prime prospect for Seattle. Nice one there for Richard again. And then Beltre for Toronto. Last box. Song Kim for San Diego. Nick Lodolo, Cincinnati. And Richard, you're going to be happy again. Double banger on the J-Rod. Julio Rodriguez, Mariners. So a good night for Richard here while he watches his grandson play. Nice one. And Rounding it out with Cody Hoise for the Dodgers. All right, we'll do a quick recap of the autos. Julio Rodriguez, Nick Lodolo, Julio Rodriguez, Randy Arozarena, Orelvis Martinez, Nick Bitsko, Miguel Bleis, Anthony Volpe, Eddie Yean, Alexander Vargas, Orelvis Martinez, Juan Carlos Negrete, Yenry Rojas, Ed Howard Redemption, Helcris Olivares, Carlos Colmenares for Tampa, Reese Hines, Heston Kjerstad, Luciano, Yenry Rojas. Good stuff. And that is the break. Thanks everyone who joined. Appreciate that.